What's up, babe?
Hi.
What's going on?
We just got to our place for the weekend. We're having a Babymoon / anniversary getaway before Rigel comes.
Rigel.
Got a big old belly.
That is a big old bump right
We
there.
got Jackalbots in the background too. Here we are.
Look at the little cabin.
Cute.
How quaint.
It is perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Little wood burning stove. Like it. Little kitchenette. Is there light in here?
I don't know.
No light in the kit. Wait, here we go.
Oh,
Boom.
there it is. Oh, cute.
Kitchenette area. What we got over here?
A
Bathroom.
Shower.
Nice.
Like it.
Alright, look at that mirror. Wide angle mirror. Get your bicep popping. I like it. I like it.
And then you just walk out this door.
We're back outside again.
But
What's
this
that
is
thing?
a cute little back porch. Little grill.
Alright, so this is our Babymoon, which I didn't know was a thing, but it's like a honeymoon, except for before you have a baby. So it's a Babymoon. Is that right?
Uh-huh.
So we're going to have our Babymoon wedding anniversary at the same time with Jack, Rigel, Crystal, and myself. Get ready. What's up, y'all? We got Robert Sykes in the Keto Savage kitchen here, just grilling some steaks. Putting some Redmond real salt on there. Got some big old ribeyes. These are from Richard's Meat
Mine's
Market.
a sirloin, I think.
It's more like a New York strip to me.
Or yeah, a New York is what I meant to say.
Don't you know your steaks now, baby?
You would think.
Got the grill going. It's a gas grill. I don't know how to use gas grills.
This is what I want.
You want that too? I put salt on it already.
It's okay.
Double the salt. But I'm excited about the cabin. The cabin looks super cute, super quaint, super cozy. All kinds of super. So
Friday night, we'll be here till Sunday.
yeah, buddy. It's gonna be good. Alright, here we go, y'all. Time to throw them on the grill. Alright, the steaks are done. Bon appetit, y'all. Bon appetit. Let's heat them up. Got the bacon cooking in our little bitty stove top here. We got Jack supervising. And we got Crystal
Organizing my bag.
organizing her bag. Been a pretty lazy morning, has it not?
Yep, got some work done.
Got some client work done.
Drank some coffee.
Made some coffee.
That's about it.
All kinds of good stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, I did the cooking. How'd I do, babe?
You did so well. Looks so good.
Good. Look at that. Hard to
Like
mess
a
up bacon and
man that
eggs,
can
but I
Cook
did
me
it.
a meal.
Alright, so this is what is to be with this Airbnb land. We got all kinds of things coming. So we're going to see if we can walk around and scope this area out.
There's a waterfall and a creek down here. We're gonna go check it out.
And that's where we are right now. Alright, see what we can find. Alright, there's the creek.
Like-
What you think, pup? Alright, y'all, we're at it's super windy out here, but there's this little fair festival thing going on. We're gonna grab something to eat. So we didn't know this festival was going on, so parking's crazy, which is why we're walking. We're gonna walk that baby right out of here. Smoked chicken. Wanna get a funnel cake?
No.
No funnel cake? No big old corn dog? Alright, y'all, we have finished our stay at the cabin. We got a new battery.
Yep.
You ready to boogie?
Ready
Relaxing
to boogie. I'm
stay?
not ready to be over. I'm not ready for it to be over.
We're going to do another clip here in a second, and we're going to talk about our thoughts before the baby comes. So get ready for that. What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
This is the end of the video.
Anyways, it's raining outside. We're soaking wet, but we wanted to end and conclude this vlog. This was our baby moon vlog. We spent the weekend at a cabin. We got like 3,000, 4,000 steps all weekend long.
Didn't do much activity.
Stayed horizontal, snuggled, read a book. Actually, I didn't read a book. Watched a show, slept in late. All the things
that we good steak.
All the things that we don't
went out to
normally
eat.
do. Yeah.
Pushed me out of the way here.
But this was basically our little before the chaos starts baby moon weekend, and it was good. Enjoyed it. You enjoy it? Mm-hmm. So it's kind of doubling as our anniversary.
My love language is quality time.
And I didn't even do too much work this weekend. I wrote the newsletter, did some client work, but I didn't do too much work.
I also did some client work.
Yeah. But this will be cool because when Roger will be born in like another week, someday when he's older, he's going to be able to watch this vlog and see what our thoughts were the moment before he was born. What were your thoughts, babe? The week before he was born.
I don't know. I have a lot of thoughts. I have a ton of thoughts and a ton of emotions about all of it. I'm very ready to see his face and like see how cute he is. We were just talking about like his he's gonna have like the tiniest little nose and like the tiniest, cutest, little sweetest mouth and all the little things. But I'm also like not ready to give up this time of it just being him and me and having him in my belly and being the only one that knows like his rhythms and when he's active and when he's not and just like his little personality inside my belly. I don't know. It's a weird thing to say and maybe a little selfish, but I'm like not ready to share him yet. And I think it's been a very hard and emotional, I think week, maybe 2, just like knowing that it's almost time. And as excited as I am to get to know him as an individual outside of my womb, this has been such an amazing process for me. I've loved every second of being pregnant, and I'm sad that this time is almost over. Don't make me cry.
I'm just excited to meet him. I can't really... He's not in my womb. I'm wombless. But I can feel him moving around in Crystal. And it's like I want to freaking see him. I want to hold him. You know, I'm ready for me time with him. You know.
Yeah.
But I'm excited. I'm starting to read a baby book. Probably should have read that like 3 months ago.
Yeah, definitely should have read it 3 months.
A little procrastinating on that, but I feel good about it. I feel like we're gonna have a happy, healthy. We've had a happy, healthy pregnancy. I feel like we're gonna have a happy, healthy birth. Mm-hmm. Hopefully, no complications. Raj will be good to go. Chris will be good to go. I'll be right there in the middle of it, catching him. Mm-hmm. So
that is one thing that we're super excited about, is that Robert is going to be the one receiving him. So I'm really excited to like see that moment and capture it. And we have a birth photographer that's coming to film all of it, or to take photos of all of it. And I'm really excited to like be able to reflect back on those moments. But super excited. I'm super excited. I'm so excited for him to be here. And I honestly have been like so at peace with everything. Like I just feel like everything's gonna go smoothly. And even if it doesn't, it's gonna go the way that it's meant to go. It's gonna go the way that life just has for us. But
it's kind of like when you're doing a prep, you know, like you put all this work and effort and everything into prep, and on the show day, it's in the judge's hands. It's the subjective sport. They got to do whatever they got to do. But whether you win, lose, or draw, you walk off that stage hopefully knowing that you've done everything in your power to set yourself up for success. And I feel like we can definitely say that we've done everything in our power to do that. Mostly Crystal. You know, like she's done everything. So at this point, it's just like, I mean, we've done everything we could do, you know? So
everything's done. Everything's pretty much ready. His room's ready. we're ready. Food is prepped. The house is pretty well cleaned to where we want it. Just waiting for him to decide when he wants to join us.
So, Rigel, if you're watching this video, we're excited to meet you, little guy. We love you already. We love you all for following along on the journey. Lots more family-oriented content to come. A whole lot more in that, atmosphere. So get ready for that. But yeah, appreciate y'all tuning in. This is the first time we've done like a vlog style video in quite some time. Hopefully you enjoyed it. So we'll catch you next time. Love you, babe. Love you, Rigel. Love you all.